Hello guys, welcome back. We have come with another amazing video for you. If you want to make website, then you need two things. One is hosting and second one is domain. More than 75 million websites are using WordPress to host their website, so it can be challenging to choose between the hundreds of companies that offer website hosting. What is WordPress hosting? WordPress hosting is just hosting that has been optimized to better meet WordPress performance and security needs. A WordPress host optimizes specifically for WordPress, so every decision that the provider makes will be to design an environment that is suitable for hosting a WordPress site. Generally, it includes one-click WordPress installs to make it easy to customize and start WordPress. Some WordPress hosts will even automatically update your WordPress software as needed. To run WordPress, all you need is a host with PHP version 5.2.4 or higher and MySQL 5.0.15 or higher. These requirements essentially mean that nearly any website host can be a WordPress hosting provider. All hosts weren't made equal, however, so it is better to choose a quality WordPress hosting that can help you run WordPress better and more efficiently. So today we will talk about which are very best hosting services out there. We have picked 5 hosting company for you, so without wasting any time, let's get into topic. But before that, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do it. We tries to provide you best helpful content for you. Our first pick is Interserver. Interserver is an affordable, full-service web hosting provider that offers a distinctive emphasis on high-quality customer service provided via multiple channels 24/7, 365 days a year. With Interserver, you'll find a variety of hosting options to choose from, including shared, VPS, and dedicated plans, as well as co-location services if you prefer to own your physical infrastructure. All of Interserver's plans come with an extensive suite of features that make creating and maintaining your website and an online presence easy. One of the biggest perks when using Interserver is its price guarantee. The amount you agree to when signing up is the price you'll continue to pay during the lifetime of that contract. As long as you don't make any adjustments to your plan, for example, upscale from VPS to dedicated hosting, you can expect to see steady fees for your web hosting needs. Like every other web hosting service, shared plans are the cheapest, followed by VPS, dedicated, and finally, their co-location plans. However, Interserver offers different levels within each plan so that you can choose and pay only for the resources that you need. Interserver's strengths include offering full-featured packages at a variety of very affordable price points. These are backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, monthly contracts so that you can leave if your needs ever change, and excellent customer support. Our second pick is Comet. Comet web hosting company was started in 2000s and shifted to public cloud hosting in 2013. Comet SSD Cloud Hosting Company is a huge hosting company which has more than 50,000 customers across 70 countries in the world. Comet company also provides domain registration facility to its customers. They are now more focused on packaged solutions rather than regular web hosting services. Perks of Comet shared hosting plans are that it has free DNS management, even if you change hosting from Comet to any other. You can transfer your domain to Comet and renew it for free. SSD storage setup in a redundant RAID 10 configuration. This will help to prevent data loss during any hard drive failure. It has unlimited parked and subdomains. It provides free website transfer, up to 3 websites, and free Cloudflare CDN caching. Comet basic plans start from $2.95 per mo. No extra price for renewal and the free domain for a lifetime. These two factors are the unique things we found in Comet. You can use the domain for free until you are using Comet web hosting. If you like to transfer the hosting to another provider, you have to pay the domain price afterward. They are good for WordPress websites and startup blogs. Our third pick is TMDHosting. TMDHosting is not as well known as companies like GoDaddy or Bluehost, but the company seems to have built a solid customer base and is getting attention from those who know. The company was one of the hosts included in PC Magazine's Editor's Choice list in 2018. Shared hosting is generally the cheapest web hosting category a provider offers. With shared hosting, your website literally shares server resources with other sites, lowering the overall service cost. TMDHosting offers 3 tiers of competitively priced shared web hosting: starter, business, and professional. Each plan includes a free domain name, as well as unlimited storage, monthly data transfers, subdomains, and email. They're very attractive offerings. Of course, there are subtle differences between the 3 packages' specs. It excels at platform-specific hosting in isolated environments. The platform-specific hosting plans are essentially shared hosting plans, but with the platform of your choice installed by TMDHosting so that you have even less to do before your website is up and running. TMDHosting offers excellent customer support. The top-notch tech support team is available to you 24/7 via telephone, live chat, or support ticket, and for non-urgent questions, you can post to the company forum. It offers free migration services for a limited number of sites. You can request assistance with your website migrations by opening a support ticket that includes the relevant details. TMDHosting provides free, daily backups for shared hosting customers. TMDHosting is a diamond in the rough worth keeping in mind when searching for an ideal host. Yet, to stand out among well-known hosting giants such as Bluehost and HostGator, TMDHosting will need to take their services to the next level. Fourth one is Hostinger. Hostinger, a renowned WordPress hosting service provider, is a name that thousands of users have trusted. Considered one among the most cost-effective yet the simplest service providers, we wanted to ascertain if it delivered exactly what everyone cares it. So we decided to publish a complete Hostinger review so that you could decide by yourself to choose Hostinger or not. Higher tiers offer larger SSD disk storage space, making them perfect for larger, multiple websites. All packages also accompany a 30-day money-back guarantee. That way, you've got an entire month to gauge the service. WordPress Hosting's basic plan starts at $1.99 per month. Hostinger's Control Panel or H-Panel is packed with handy tools suitable, not only for webmasters but also for beginners, who are looking to dip their toes in the realm of web creation. Hostinger used to provide high-speed loading time. It ranks as one among the quickest and exceptionally reliable web servers hosting companies use. Hostinger is not only known for its fast servers and web page loading time. It is also recognized for its strong uptime performance. Hostinger guarantees nearly 100% uptime score to its clients. Surprisingly, after various server examinations, the web hosting service did not only uphold its promise but exceeded every other web hosting provider's uptime performance as well. Our last pick is Bluehost. Unlike some other hosts, Bluehost is a little lean on WordPress-specific features. Let's take a look at what's on offer. Bluehost WordPress Hosting is the most popular web hosting platform used these days. This hosting service provides the best tools and resources to customers, so it is considered the best hosting provider. Its basic plan provides 50 GB storage space, while its Plus and the Choice Plus plan provides unlimited storage space. Bluehost offers native support for managed WP, starting at 5 websites on their basic plan. A dashboard designed with WordPress users in mind. The first stop in our Bluehost managed WordPress hosting review is support. An excellent support service is the backbone of any hosting provider, and you need to be assured of its quality before considering any other aspect. To begin with, Bluehost offers 24/7 support via live chat and phone. An in-depth knowledge base. Price of Bluehost is very cheap. Basic plans start from $2.75 per month. Several features of the shared WordPress hosting plan. Automatic WordPress installation. WordPress updates. When you host your WordPress site through Bluehost, it will automatically update for you. Free SSL certificate. As will all Bluehost plans, your website will be given a free SSL certificate. This makes sure that your site is safe and secure while protecting you and your visitors. Bluehost is a great option to consider if you plan to build your website with WordPress and if you know you want to commit to a multi-year web hosting plan. This was our list. Hope you enjoyed it. If you find it helpful, then don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. This was it for today's video. See you all in the next one.